Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on this Toyota Yaris. It's the dent on the rear bumper which we're going to pull out. So what I've done so far is I've taken the wheel arch trim from here under the wheel arch, okay, so that I can gain the access from this side to push the dent out. So the tool I'm using here is a crowbar. I've just put a rag at the front so that I don't damage the bumper. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour hot water on the bumper to start off with. So this will soften it up a bit so that we can pull it out from, so we can push it out from inside. So we're gonna insert the crowbar from here and so we're just gonna pull the dent out in this manner. There we go. So that is the old school trick to pull the dent out. Just gonna pour a little bit more hot water. So this string just came off, so we're gonna push it in. We can apply a little bit super glue on it to make it stick better, and just gonna pull this crease out now. There's a little crease here. That's better. So here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just pull the clip out in this way. There we go. And then we're just gonna push it in. There we go, friends. Job done. I hope you find my videos helpful. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.